Several factors can cause the verifying installation loop on Steam Deck. Let's examine the main causes one by one. File corruption often results from sudden power interruptions or issues with SD cards. When files become damaged, Steam's verification process gets stuck in a loop trying to fix them. Unstable network connections, such as weak Wi-Fi signals or frequent interruptions, can cause downloads to fail midway. This leaves incomplete files that trigger the verification loop. Software bugs in older SteamOS versions could lead to verification loops, but Valve has significantly improved this in recent updates. Most users no longer encounter this issue. Wear on the internal storage can cause data corruption, particularly on older Steam Deck models with 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, or 512 gigabyte storage. The OLED models released in 2023 feature improved storage technology that reduces this problem. Before attempting more complex solutions, try these simple steps. First, fully restart your Steam Deck. If the issue persists, clear the Steam download cache. Go to Steam Settings, then Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. This removes potentially corrupted temporary files. Verifying game file integrity is a key troubleshooting step for the Steam Deck. Steam provides a built-in tool to check and repair corrupted files. First, locate the problematic game in your Steam library on the deck. Right-click on the game icon to open the context menu. From the menu, select Properties to open the game's settings window. In the Properties window, click on the Local Files tab. Finally, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Steam will then scan the game's files, comparing them to the original versions on Valve's servers. Any corrupted or missing files will be automatically downloaded and replaced. If verifying the game's file integrity doesn't resolve the loop, consider reinstalling the game as an advanced solution. This method ensures a completely clean installation by replacing all game files. First, uninstall the problematic game through the Steam interface on your deck. Then, reinstall it directly from your Steam library. This approach often fixes loops caused by deeply corrupted or damaged game files that basic verification can't address. A system refresh reinstalls SteamOS, addressing potential system-level corruption. This option is less drastic than a factory reset and preserves your personal files. To perform a system refresh, first power off the Steam Deck, then hold the volume down button and press the power button. When the boot menu appears, select Reinstall SteamOS. To minimize the risk of future loops, ensure a stable power supply during downloads and updates. Avoid sudden shutdowns. Use a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Keep your Steam Deck updated to the latest SteamOS version through the Discover app. Consider using a higher quality SD card if you're installing games on external storage. Valve's SteamOS updates and Smart Verify feature help prevent these loops from happening.